Yes. We live to fight another day. This is a fighting spirit we wanted. This is a fighting spirit I know we are capable of. And that's why I never gave up on you boys. I knew something could give. It's not a win, but I will take a point under these circumstances because, like I say, we live to fight another day. Williams, thank you for the brilliant saves you made when we needed you. Yes, the first 5 minutes lapse of concentration at a crucial stage, but it's okay. We came back, we fought. Mudau, thank you. Obs, the postman, thank you for always trying to deliver something. Mbogazi Okon, yo Mbogazi, damn it. Sis, Mbogazi was coming left to right. Mbogazi was everywhere in that defense. Mrembula, you're our soldier. We're gonna miss you the last game, but it's okay. We're gonna miss you, but it's okay. You are our soldier, our fighter. Mbata, thank you. Adams, thank you. Maseko, yo, Tapelo Maseko. My brother, I know how to thank you. We needed somebody to step on the ball. Take them on. Take them on. Mufukeng, thank you. And then number 10, you brought some spices to the number 10. Keep them on their toes. Our police, you're a little bit quiet, but also thank you. Wana Sesi, I don't know how to thank you. Wana Sesi, thank you for winning the aerial duels, giving us an option to win the second ball. Because some aerial duels you're winning, you're a problem for the team. Yo, this is a fighting spirit we want. We fight up until the end. I believe. That's what Goat Hugo Bruce. I did not doubt you. Yes, I wasn't happy with some things first game, but I knew Goat. That's why I never turned my back on you, Goat. We love to fight another day, boys. South Korea, you're in trouble. South Korea, I can feel it. We are getting out this group. I said it and it's going to happen. We are getting out this group. Round of 32, here we come.
This is what you wanted. Lose, win or draw. Mara adlaleni bola bafethu. Adlaleni bola. Amajita ayalazi bola. That's all we wanted. Le game le ibingcono kakhulu kunale yokuqala. And of course there will always be something to complain about. I mean, indlela is considered ngalo le goal questionable. Lapses of concentration from the defense ngapha kwa right, and then abakhavanga le kwa left where the goal came in. You know, there will always be something to complain about, but amajita adlalile. Especially in the second half. Come on. And then the Chelsea layer corner, the only time where they would get an advantage is when they were playing those aerial balls, set pieces, right? And those crosses into the box. But pound for pound, baller. South African, there's a reason why South Africa dominated the game. Ball possession is South Africa. Passes completed, it was South Africa. Shots on goal, it was South Africa. Shots on target, it was South Africa. There's a reason why. And we got to see our best players shine when we play football. Confident, not just to us as fans, but also a squad team. Shout out to Dave Zabafet. Pressure moments require big players to step up and take the chance. Mrembula stood up, took the penalty, 1-1. We live to fight another day. Czechia. South Korea next. 3x next week Thursday. We will be there.
It's not over. It's not over, Bafetu. South Korea can do it. Roll against South Korea. Madala Hugo Bruce. What was difficult from deploying this lineup? Upanachuki Mohalabe would deploy this lineup against Mexico. Mana winner or rejiwa or drawer raloka bole re tsebang go ka one mfethu no re reajiwa. We are playing a very foreign football. Bole no re tseba re kushi takes chance information a tsona itshwela kae. This is our football. Yes, we couldn't get the much needed win, but at least we enjoyed seeing these boys playing the football they know. South Korea, we are coming. Yes, it's going to be a difficult game, but we are coming. We are coming, definitely.
Nansi Bafana Bafana. Nansi. This is Bafana Bafana. Nansi. Ilende besifuna against Mexico. Win, lose or draw. Football was played. That's it. Number two. Rele Mufukeng ngiyabonga. Rele Mufukeng. Imagine if it was in a confidence, it's us. Ungenile urele washintsha izinto. Ungene urele. Abanye bazophika, but mina ungene urele washintsha izinto. This is what we want. Give the boy a chance. This is what we want. Hope uyabaza hlupho. Ngishilo ukuthi mahopa must start. Mahopa yahlupha. This is what we want. This is the spirit going forward. This is the team. Siyabonga. Pros, ngiyabonga. Hugo Pros, usizile. We have a chance. We're fighting. Suzwa keep my calculator. Yes, it's what I want.
Hayi bafana idlaleka iKaizer Chiefs. Yini? Idlaleka iKaizer Chiefs bafana. Iswayele leso. Wonke umuntu eKaizer Chiefs uyayazi leso. Hayi bafana idlaleka iKaizer Chiefs. Hayi ngithi hayi. Ngidla kwi-Chiefs lena.
Honestly speaking, draw is better than nothing compared to last week. What happened? South Africa against Mexico. Guys, the boys have tried. Let's just give them their flowers, guys. I know it's not easy. Let's hope and pray for the coming game they will win. Maybe they will score 2-0. You never know. You know, no one is saying, Bafana. Let's just give up on them, guys. You know, they still have a chance to prove us wrong, guys. You know, I've seen that people are saying, we almost give up on Bafana. I've seen few celebrities now, they are coming out to celebrate Bafana. I've seen Bonang Mateba, Casper Nyovesta, Minister of Sports Gayton McKenzie also saying, let's say boys to go boys and do us proud, because as a South African, let's stand together, let's be united as a country, guys. If they are there to represent us. I see some of people are saying, this team look like Kaizer Chiefs. Some are saying, we should blame Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Guys, you know, forget about those things. Let's just be united and support our boys, guys. I've seen that yesterday the coach allowed Relebohile Mofokeng to play, and I was very proud of him to say, wow, well done, coach, what are you doing? It's a good thing. Some people are saying that Relebohile, he might not come back, you know, he's leaving South Africa. I mean, let's just give him our blessing, guys. The boys have tried, you know, the boys are doing well, thanks to the midfielder Teboho Mokoena, you know, for scoring his first country goals of the World Cup 2026. Well done, boys. Congratulations. Hopefully the next game you will do better. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. You know, for the subscribers, so like, comment.